Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Once again, this is NY. Chillin here. For today's video, we're gonna show you another tutorial for a Valentine bouquet. And for this video, we're gonna show you how to stuff our bear inside our 18 inches stuffing balloons. Okay guys, so there's a lot of ways to stuff your balloon with stuffed animals or whatever you will stuff there. But this is one of the ideas. So far for at this moment, we don't have a machine to stretch this with. So we'll use our hand. Just like that. So we'll stuff our feathers first. This will be on the bottom. And then our stuffed bear, stuffed animal. So it'll be easier if you have a machine or something, but this is what we
call DIY.
DIY. Come on, Bear, you can do it.
Sorry, Bear.
So Bear, you can go and push it. So the bear is finally in, so we'll see. We'll stuff air. I will put air in here. So we get the string here. There he is. Alright guys, we finally made it here. That was a struggle, but we finally made it here. So again, you have the string here, your fish hook, fish line. And aside from tying a knot here, I also added a extra support so air won't go out. 260 cube scrap. So let's cut that off. And there you go. So the string helps your bear stay up like that. Okay. So this would be put on the side for now. Alright, so this time we will inflate our 5 inches balloon. This is hot pink balloon and gold. So we decided to put like 5 on the base. Inflate this with 5 inches. Alright, so I have some 5 here, so what you're gonna do is connect all your 5 like that. So first, so you have your 3 and 2. Connect them. Now it's gonna look like this. Okay. So this would be on our bottom. And again, you need to have a water weight and just attach that to one of your balloon here. There it is, that's on the bottom. Okay. So we'll connect this here. You can either use the end of your balloon here to one of the end, but I prefer to use the fish hook because it's nice and clear and you can't even see it. And I think it's more sturdier. So you just have to tie this on here. See, it pulls out and it's stuck in there. So you need your 5 balloon as well. And there it is. So that would be your base, and this is where you're gonna set our balloon right there. So we'll also inflate more. So we'll inflate more of our 5 inches hot pink balloon in gold. This time we'll inflate it to 3.5. Alright, so now we'll try to make a little garland here. So now you get this all inflated and paired with this, go like that. So now you have clusters of balloons. Now I'm gonna use my fish string right here, or fish line. I'm gonna tie it in one of this cluster. So I tie it like that. Connect. So now we will, the idea is to attach this here. So it'll go like that. So now it looks like we need a little bit more, like maybe 4 there. Alright, so we got all our balloon inflated, so I tie it with 4 quads here, there's 3, and just clusters of balloons, okay? So for this time, I'm gonna attach this two right here together, but first, I'm gonna attach this, remember the string that we have here, or the fish line? I'm gonna attach this here. So they'll stay in place. So that would be the top, and then you work your way, so pull like clusters of balloons. Now we got your balloon right here. So now we need our base. With the base here, I probably use balloon glue dots, okay? So I use some balloon glue dots right here, and that will be for our big balloon to stay in. So make sure your bear is facing. There you go. And see the string right here? We'll connect it on here.
By the base.
On the base. So now we'll just add more decorations. So guys, remember we inflated this to 5 inches. Now we'll add some on the bottom, so it's now proportioned because it's now bigger on top. So we want it nice and in proportion. So we will add more 5 inches balloon. We'll inflate it to 6 inches. Okay. Okay, so here's the 5 of them inflated to 6 inches. Again, we'll tie this together. So again, this will be on the very bottom now. Remember, on the bottom here we have the balloon weight. It can just stay there. So now it's more in proportion, so it's not like the top is big. So again, I'm gonna use my fish line. There you go. So we just have to face the bear. Alright guys, and we will add this flower right here. I put balloon glue dots. Add it here. Like the heart right here, pink heart. This is gonna be helium. Here you go guys, it's all done. Hope you all like this, and if you do, please don't forget to smash the thumbs up and share. It'll help our little channel to grow, and we're not gonna be here without your support. And thank you all for watching, and we will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.